Hi everyone, this is Michelle Troutman with a classy business writing tip on describing images and hyperlink text in your newsletters to make them more engaging and avoid mistakes that could cost you clicks and clients. Have you ever clicked a link in an email without knowing where it would take you? And does wording like "click here" excite you enough to obey that command? It's like being handed an address without a roadmap. In this video, we'll explore some of the smaller details that can affect whether your emails literally click with your audience. To see how and why this text should clarify, keep watching. For more tips like this, hit the subscribe button. And to get the easy 5-step business e-newsletter template, see the link in the video description. If you're pressed for time, it's tempting to cut corners on parts of your newsletter you might see as less important than headlines or body copy, those big selling points. But neglecting the finer details like hyperlink text and image descriptions can cost you crucial marketing opportunities and affect your audience's experience. You might have heard the phrase "the devil is in the details." Essentially, it's a warning to pay close attention to the finer points, as overlooking them can lead to unexpected problems or subpar results. When it comes to e-newsletters, paying attention to the details can make or break your success. Sometimes you're on a deadline or you're churning out content after a long day. I get it. In my years of writing newsletters for businesses, I've learned that clarity isn't just kind, it's strategic. Unclear communication confuses readers, reduces engagement, and turns potential clients away. Picture this: you've got 5 minutes to finish an email before your next meeting, so you slap on a link to "click here" and call it a day. Sound familiar? When deadlines loom, it's tempting to cut corners. But here's the thing, that "click here" isn't just a link, it's a lost opportunity. You're not just telling your reader what to do, you're showing them why it's worth the click. You wouldn't invite someone to a destination without giving them a reason to go, would you? Vague hyperlink text can hurt your credibility and confuse your readers. Here's how to make your links and images irresistible to improve the accessibility and clarity of your emails. By writing your hyperlink text, image alt text, and captions with intent or purpose. Your links and images are communication real estate. Don't waste them on vague, generic language. Here's the classy newsletter writing checklist. Hyperlink text. Sure, "click here" gets the job done, but it's boring and unclear. Instead, challenge yourself to write hyperlink text that describes where you'll take readers or what they'll gain when they click. Think "explore more tax savings plans" or "learn 5 ways to cut costs." If you have a newsletter, blog, and link to another page on your site, these phrases are more engaging and SEO friendly too. Remember how I mentioned missed opportunities? Here's one you might not have considered: accessibility. Clear hyperlink text isn't just about clicks, it's about inclusivity. By describing links thoughtfully, you make your emails easier to navigate for everyone, including readers with visual and cognitive impairments who use screen readers. Alt text for images. What about your images? Are their descriptions clear? Alt text is your chance to tell readers how your graphic adds to the message. Skip phrases like "image of" or "picture of," which screen readers already add. Get to the point. Prefer a clearer statement that shows readers the content. Describe the image in context. For example, instead of writing "picture of a couple signing documents," write "a couple signing a will at a law office." This approach makes your emails more inclusive and helps communicate the full story. So far, we've covered links and alt text. But there's one more piece of the puzzle that can make or break your email's impact: photo captions. Keep captions factual. Captions should answer the basics: who or what is shown? Where is it happening? These quick identifiers help readers scan your content and understand it at a glance. For example, instead of "our event," write "Attorney John Smith speaks at the 2024 Elder Law Conference." And to stay concise, be precise. Every word is an opportunity to connect and inform and persuade. When you overlook the details, you're making more work for you and your readers. You'll spend time answering follow-up questions, or your audience might just move on, leaving your emails unread and your links unclicked. Because the copy didn't convert. That "click here" or "learn more" wasn't compelling enough. But when you craft clear, intentional descriptions, you enhance the reading experience. You build trust, drive action, and improve accessibility, all of which can boost your results. So before you hit send, take a moment to polish hyperlinks, alt text, and captions. You'll create emails that stand out and click with your audience. What are your favorite ways to make your newsletter more accessible and engaging? Share your tips in the comments. In the next video, we'll take another look at calls to action that go beyond classic copywriting approaches. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell for more writing tips. And to get the free Easy 5-Step Business e-newsletter template, see the link in the video description. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to keep your writing classy.